Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon.
In this video, we'll show you how to add your own music or sound to TikTok videos. When making videos on TikTok, you can use your own sounds, sounds from other videos, or sounds from TikTok's music library. Let's add your own sound together. Open the TikTok app. Tap the plus icon to create a new video or upload a video from your device. Once done, click the red check mark to move forward. Tap the Add Sound to open TikTok's music library. Uncheck the original sound if you don't want it. Tap on the search icon, then go to My Sounds option. Select a song and tap the check mark to add this sound to your TikTok video. Tap the scissors icon to adjust the duration of your sound, then tap Done. Click on the next button to post your video. It's easy, right? What other tips do you want to know? Let us know in the comments below.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.